amplifies your voice. Kasi you can use a lot of different accents. Or you can use to communicate. Halimbawa, napapari ka, sasabihin mo, ang mga Kastila nung araw, ano masabihin? Kayong mga Indio, pangit, di ba? Para sabihin, kaya mga Indio. Hindi kayo nag-aaral, eh? Pag ikaw gumamit ng pag-iiba ng accent. May mga hapon dito. Oo, hapon ako. Arigatou gozaimasu. Ako Inchik. Kamusta kayo? Okay, I don't understand what you're talking about. What are you doing?
Do you have any judgment when you speak like this? Excuse me, ma'am. I want to tell you something.
Gusto niyo? Ay, may limang klase.
Yo! Nasa brother mo!
Accent, English accent.
Yeah.
Number one is Tagalog accent. Di ba yung pag-usap? We tend to think in Tagalog and translate it in English. Like the way I speak now. Kumbaga kasi sabi ko, oy, kamusta kayo? Oh, how are you there? Oy, di ba?
How are you there?
Because the Filipino is very good in Tagalog and English. It's easier for us to speak it, but without American accent. No problem. The other accent is an American accent. Do you understand the words that are coming up from my mouth?
Yeah.
Yo, mami, what's up, yo? It's George in the place to be, yeah? Oh, do you understand? Let's talk in English, no?
Yeah.
Or, meron pang ano, British, hello, how are you? Harry Potter. The other one is Manny Pacquiao accent, no problem. Thank you very much to Pretty Lord Specialeto, everyone. And if I speak like this, it's also so long. I don't understand because I'm thinking, secret. You know, people tend to prolong the vowels and the consonants sometimes just to, while they are thinking, and the next one that I'm going to say, because I don't know. No? We're surprised. You know, the good thing about being a voice artist is I can do a lot of accents. Sometimes when I speak in front of a lot of people outside the country, oh, are you a Filipino? Yes, I'm a Filipino. What's your problem? Oh, you have a very good accent, you know. I know, but you know, my accent is different from you. You don't understand that my accent is very hard. And the last accent is the Konyo accent. Yeah. Oh, you know, so understand, you know, yeah. There's a lot of it in European lasagna at the mayo. It's a Kino accent, yeah. Ay, alam mo, nag-ano na ako dito, stand-up comedy na ako.
The Watch Crew! Yeah!
Bayad na kayo! Nakakatuwa kayo. Then, you know what? I'm so privileged to be here. Balik na rin natin. Napakaswerte ko nakinig kayo sa akin. Kasi, may mga speaker, napakamalas, di kayo nakikinig. At may mga speaker na, hindi, ito wala yan. Sabi ko nga lagi sa mga public speaking ko, any speech or talk or seminar should be fun. What is fun?
Happy!
You understand what's the meaning of fun?
Boom!
F is for what?
Boom! Boom!
In a workshop or seminars, in a conference, F, it should be fun. F stands for participation. Everyone should participate. Understand?
Yeah!
There's no participation, there's no communication, and there's no cooperation. Understand? And there's in fun, there's you. What is you? Understanding? No, there should be humor. Kasi pag walang humor, walang funny, walang comedy. And the last one, there should be N in fun. What is fun? Energy. What else? Oh, very good. But it's wrong. In fun, N stands for enjoyment. And everyone is enjoying. And I'm so happy that you enjoy my talk. Thank you very much. Oh, ano? Ma'am. Uy, si ma'am. Ang ganda mo pala sa personal, sabi no. Ano?
Yun nga pala yung boyfriend ko, yung katabi ni ate, nakasalamin. Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Sabi niya ni sir. Ayan. So, to end this event, we would like to award this certificate to Mr. Pocholo Gonzalez and also to the Poch crew.
The Poch crew! You!
Ayan. Certificate of appreciation presented to Mr. Pocholo Gonzalez. Oh, picture. Remembering. Poch crew.
Ha?
Ay, may ano eh.
Yeah!
Sila din. Oh, waki daw. Pumunta na kayo dito.
Yeah!
Sige, may mag-interview sa inyo na mamaya. Okay, isa-isa lang, ayoko nagkakagulo. Ayoko maging
Guwapo.
sa artista. Oh. Oh, sige, sa stage tayo, sa stage.
Tara, sa stage! Sa stage daw, sa stage!
Mga kapatid sa pananampalataya, sa stage po tayo para nag-picture.
How you doing, man?
Punta niyo sa akin sa FB, may FB daw sila.
Uy, ano po masasabi niyo sa speaker nyo? Oh no! Paring isa.
Hello! Hi!
Ate, anong pangalan mo?
Ayan.
Ate Den Apir. Apir, ano pong masasabi niyo sa speaker?
Ano po, inspiring po siya.
Talaga?
Tapos, marami ako natutunan. Katulad nung yung hanapin mo yung talagang tinitibok na, yung talagang, ano ba yan? Yung hinahanap na puso mo.
Sige.
Lang.
Salamat. Apir ulit. Yeah. Ay, naman dami naman ng mga rat. Si Sir! Nawa si Sir! Oh! Wala niya! Oh, sorry! Si Sir!